Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are preparing a mouth-watering dish with a delightful combination of flavors. Let's take a closer look at the ingredients we are going to use for this meal. First and foremost, we have our star ingredient, the succulent pork chops, which can be replaced with the soft chicken thighs for a delectable alternative. These protein-rich slices will make our dish flavorful and delicious. Following that, we have 5 beaten eggs, which will add rich and creamy texture to our meal. Prepare yourself for a delicious explosion of taste. We have freshly sliced carrots to offer a lively touch. This will not only add lovely flash of color, but also a delicate sweetness and delightful bite. Now let's talk about the mixed vegetables. This combination of deliciousness will provide a variety of textures and flavors to our dish, making it visually beautiful and nutritiously balanced. For a burst of freshness and aromatic goodness, we have finely chopped green onions. This will bring a pleasant smell and a splash of color to our creation. To infuse our dish with a delicious umami taste, we will be using soy sauce. This will enhance the overall flavor profile and take our dish to the next level. Our cooked rice will absorb all of the great ingredients we are about to include. Remember, using day-old rice works best for that perfect texture. To balance the flavors, we will be adding salt to taste. Adjust it accordingly to your preference. Finally, we have the option of adding Habanero pepper. For those of you who want a fiery kick, use a small amount and add a fiery flavor to your dish. Now that we have met our ingredients, get ready to embark on this flavorful journey as we bring them all together to create a masterpiece. Let's get cooking. Add some oil in a wok over medium-high heat. Pour in the beaten eggs. Stir gently until they are scrambled and cooked. After, remove them from the pan and set them aside. In the same pan, add a little more oil if needed. And add the pork chops or any protein you are using. Cook until they are browned and cook through. The next thing is add the Habanero pepper or any pepper of your choice. Follow it up with the carrot. Allow it to fry for about 2 minutes. Add salt as you stir to mix well. Add the cooked rice to the pan. And mix it well. Keep stirring. Pour some soy sauce over the mixture. Stir fry everything together until the rice is heated through and well coated with the sauce. Add the scrambled eggs you made earlier on. Stir to mix well and break any stubborn rice down. Now it's time to include the mixed vegetables. Stir fry until they are tender, yet still crisp. Add the chopped green onions. At this point, taste and season with more salt according to your preference. Once everything is thoroughly combined and heated, remove the pan from the heat. You can now serve your Chinese meat fried rice. There you have it. The Chinese meat fried rice is a versatile dish that can easily be customized with your favorite ingredients. The combination of tender meat, crunchy vegetables, and flavorful rice makes this dish a crowd pleaser. With just a few simple steps, you can recreate the authentic flavors of Chinese cuisine right in your own kitchen. Don't be afraid to experiment with different meats, vegetables, or spice levels to make this dish your own. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide to making Chinese meat fried rice. Now it's your turn to make this dish at home. Remember, cooking is all about experimentation. Impress your loved ones with this flavorful dish. Subscribe for more delicious recipes, and happy cooking.